Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to learn about all the use cases of the df command. First case, display only the local file system. Second case, display output in human readable format. Third case, display the inode details. Fourth case, display all the file systems. Fifth case, display the version of df. Sixth case, display the total size in human readable format. Seventh case is to exit from the script. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn Python, shell scripting, and Linux in detail, please check the link in the description. Also, please subscribe the channel, it will help us to provide you more videos like this. Thank you for watching.